What you're about to witness is a demonstration of the most down and dirty, hardcore, hard-charging power aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Sean Tucker's more than 25,000 hours of combined fixed and rotary wing flight time.
Oh my gosh.
Talk about overcoming your fears.
He's doing that close to the ground.
Now as Sean climbs to the right-hand side of the aerobatic box, he performs the spiraling tower, but watch this.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
He'll recover upside down, hanging from the strap.
Upside down.
For the next maneuver, it's an inside-outside look with a tumble at the top. The first half is opportunities. There's the tumble, and the outside, the second half of the look is negative G's.
Oh my god. Upside down. Are you kidding me? How in the heck? How's that thing still going the right direction?
Now as Sean approaches from the left, he'll reach center stage. He will pull back on the stick, experiencing some 10 times the force of gravity, or 10 times his normal body weight. Watch as he climbs. Watch for a roll to the left, a shoulder roll to the right, and as he slows to almost zero airspeed, he gets ready to do not one, but two consecutive hammerhead stall turns. This aircraft is the Oracle Challenger 3. It's custom built specifically for Sean by his team. His previous aircraft couldn't keep up with what he wanted to do. It weighs in at a mere 1,220 pounds, and with its almost 400 horsepower engine and advanced Hartzell propeller, it makes it the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. Watch him as he goes inverted and does the frisbee turn. Now it's time to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Sean D. Tucker. Sean D., are you with me?